Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics and then act. Plug in power if battery is low and backup now so you can roll back if needed. Next, sign into your Apple ID. This prevents authorization errors when accessing legacy content. Once done, check Wi-Fi or 3G stability because interrupted downloads cause corruption. Make sure date and time are accurate, since the App Store validates certificates against the clock. Incorrect time often blocks connections. You'll now refresh the store connection to clear transient errors. Force quit and reopen the App Store, and use the 10-tap trick on a tab to clear its cache. This often fixes listing glitches. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID and restart the device to renew authentication tokens, then sign back in. Once re-authenticated, use Purchase to install compatible legacy apps. This bypasses modern store compatibility checks and lets iOS finish by verifying installations and permissions. Open any installed app to confirm launch and grant required access. If a download hangs, reset network settings and reconnect to Wi-Fi. This clears DNS and DHCP issues that block the store. Should the device still fail, download the app via iTunes on a computer and sync it over USB. That often works around OTA problems. If an app is simply incompatible with iOS 6, use an archived IPA backup or find a functional alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.